Hi, this is Tony Cook, and this is What's in the Box. Actually, it's what's on the blister pack today. I have all kinds of new details available from Classic Metalworks Mini Metals. These are officially licensed Coca-Cola products, and as you can see from the packages lined out here, we've got Sprite, of course, Coca-Cola, and Fanta Orange. And what the products are, these are plastic molded crates for like details or loads, and then we have Coca-Cola machines. These crates are marked. They look really good. They're marked with like Fanta, Sprite, and these you could detail up or detail up a scene in many ways. And then I'll show you close-ups on the soda machines. This is the old 10-cent style. I don't really remember those. I think the soda was dispensed out of the center. Now these I do remember. This is the one called the 1960s style and has the slogan, "Things go better with Coke." And remember that side there, the white panel with the black insert is actually trying to show you that was the little door you opened to pull out the glass bottle. I do remember those well, but that other one I've seen, but I don't really know it that well. To give you an idea of scale, here's a couple of Sprite and Fanta sodas. Look at that for the hard-working crew on the Rock Island. This is an old Athearn HO scale truck, but it gives you an idea of the size and proportion on those. They are hollow, so easy to put on things. You can tack them down with a little bit of white glue or whatever, and they don't add too much weight or anything to it. So those are new from Round Two's Classic Metalworks Mini Metals line. New details, Coca-Cola accessories, and that's what's in the box today. Thanks for watching.